So I'm going to show you a cheap way that I do kindling for my fire. It's fixing to get really cold, or it's probably freezing when you're watching this, but sometimes I just buy like a 2x4. They're $3.60. But a lot of times I go and I find this marked down wood. It's split, it's warped, or whatever, and it's 70% off. So I got all this wood right here, 8 foot of wood for $3.40. So, and we'll make kindling out of it, and I'm kind of going to show you how to do it. So I just take my saw and I go through all this. Let's see if I can't get it all, but I just kind of go to the length I like, which is probably about what, 12 inches or so. And I'll cut all this up at once. And then I'll take my little hatchet. Split it up. And I have a kindling box right over here. I don't know if that's on camera or not. And I throw it in there. So, not really hard. Really the best is sometimes if I have to really buy it, I get that cedar fence pickets. They're like $3.40 for a good one, and they split really good. This one has knots on it. But this stuff is like, I guess it's kiln dried. It burns really good. So you can see I did all that. It don't take very long. When I worked, I would get good pallets that had like a real good 2x4 on it like this, and I would cut that out and make kindling out of it, and it worked pretty good. This actually works better than that because it's a lot drier, where a pallet would have you know, some moisture in it. But I get those pallets for free, and I can't do that anymore. So let's do one more set. I don't measure it. If you want to measure it, you go right ahead. So, don't really matter to me. There you go. I'll cut all this up, and I'll have quite a bit of kindling last me a few days, so that's what I want. So anyway, this little short video where I can kind of show you just a money saving tip for the homestead. Get the rest of this done, and I gotta get some firewood coming up here, and I gotta do my chores, so I'm gonna get busy. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer, and we'll see you tomorrow down here on the farm.